If you write code in the Visual Basic Editor, you'll be familiar with the IntelliSense list, which pops up to offer help as you're writing your code. So as a quick simple example, if I refer to the active cell and I want to know what I can do to it, typing in the full stop shows me the list of methods and properties automatically. It also helps me to avoid having to write out the complete words. If I want to modify the value of the cell, I can get away with typing in the letter V, then use the arrow keys to highlight the value property, and then press the Tab key to insert the one I want. I can then complete the sentence in whichever way I like, so the IntelliSense is a pretty handy feature. It's a shame then that it doesn't appear at the beginning of every line of code you write. Wouldn't it be great if the IntelliSense popped up as soon as you started writing? What if I didn't know what my valid keywords were at the beginning of a sentence? Well, that's okay, because we can use a couple of different keyboard shortcuts to force the IntelliSense list to appear. One shortcut is holding Control and then pressing the spacebar. That makes the IntelliSense list appear. If I just press Escape to clear that, the other shortcut is Control and J. Now if I'm at the beginning of a line and I haven't yet typed anything in, then those two keyboard shortcuts do exactly the same thing. They just display the complete list of available keywords. The difference between the shortcuts comes into play when you've typed something in already. So let's say I typed in, say, active S. Now if I press Control and J on the keyboard, the IntelliSense comes back in its entirety, so I can see every possible keyword in that list. If I just press Escape to abandon that, and this time I'll press Control and Spacebar instead, because there's only one matching entry in the list that begins with active S, Control and Spacebar completes the entire word. So that's a sort of a habit I've got into when I'm typing code in VBA at the beginning of a sentence. Press Control and Spacebar, then you get some immediate help so you can avoid having to write in manually complete words like active sheet, etc. Hope you found that one useful. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.